am Dr. Mushtaq Muqaddam. Today I want to speak about the people who are doing the noble work in Corona crisis. Last 3 months we are seeing there is no doctor who was ready to work in the clinics. There was no ICU staff was ready to work in the crisis of COVID-19. But I have seen the people who came forward and they are doing the noble work about when the patient die, the real relatives, they are not ready to come forward to bury them or to take the body in their hands. There is a Mool Nivasi Muslim Manch. The president is Anjum Inamdar Sahab and his whole team. I must appreciate and I must say thanks from behalf of all the doctors of Pune Municipal Corporation and all the doctors from Pune City and PCMC, that after the death of the person, when relatives are not coming to take the body, the main problem and main question in front of the hospital people are what to do about this. So this issue has been discussed in the PMC and PCMC in length, and the team of Anjum Inamdar Sahab, Mool Nivasi Muslim Manch, they came forward, and last 3 months they are doing a noble job. They are taking the bodies of these corona people after death, where the relatives are not coming. For Muslims, they are taking to the Muslim Qabristan and they are disposing with the all the hierarchy of Islamic way, and they buried them very carefully with the PEP kit. The main people amongst are one of the Zamir Momin. He is a handicapped person. He is coming forward, is taking his leg with him with a very difficult way in this rainy season, and he is burying. In several videos we can see that he is burying the people of Muslim and Christian and Hindus also. I salute them and I say thanks, and I request all the people from Pune and all the youngsters from Pune to come forward and see these people what they are doing. And this is a real lesson to the other youngsters. If they come forward and do this noble job, they will not going to suffer. If anybody they are thinking that they will suffer from corona if they do the job, see these people, they are doing the noble job. I request all the government agencies and other NGOs and other people from government people and non-government people, they should recognize these people. Thank you.
जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की ज़ीनत,
जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की ज़ीनत,
जिंदगी